Okay, yesterday we create this section with pencil. So I open new pencil. When I open pencil up, he opened what I have created yesterday. So I open new pencil and close the old one, and you can see I have empty frame, nothing inside. And one thing what I want to say, here you have button, and you can see that everything what I create and I like, I save it where in my external SSD inside of the folder that I have created, and the name of the folder is pencil. So everything what I create and I like and I want to save, it goes inside of my pencil folder. The second thing is I ask, when I open the pencil up, I ask Claude AI, do you see pencil MCP? And he said yes. Then I turn off the window that I create yesterday. I open new empty one and I ask him again, do you see it now? And he told me yes, that he see. So what I will do now, I want, because I have hero section, service section, and I want now create, let's say, two more sections, price section, about us section. Let's just something like this. Okay, we have now the pencil. I clean what we did before, so I will tell him. So I tell him that he create two sections. First section is pricing section and second section is about us section. Sections are for my SEO agency website. Can you create them? Let's push enter. Okay, he created them. I will just tell him. So I will tell him can background can be more darker for all two sections. Okay, he create them. I will save them just to have them. Okay. I put sections and inside of the pencil folder save. Okay, great. So I will delete this because I don't need this. So now I will ask Claude, okay, do you see pencil MCP? Then we see what he will say, and we can see that he see this, and I will ask him, can you create this on their website? I will give him URL on my Builderius website. So I told him, can you create the same what is on pencil app on my Builderius website, and I gave him URL. So I will click enter. Then we see I will move this. So now we will see what he will tell us. Now we will move all of this that we see what he will create. When you work, you will see how he check what he have here. You will see something like he scanned this, that he can recreate this inside of the Builderius website. You can see how he did this like he's scanning, so we can move this and let's see what he will create. I will not touch anything, I will do anything. I give very basic, simple, I will not even call them prompts. It's just like order, not like prompt with explanation. I have this is there, nothing. I simply ask him, I have this in the pencil app, can you create it in my Builderius website? So we will see if he will create it. I don't know, this is what I did. It's very simple, but that we see if he is able to create this or not. So I will leave him that he worked. I will move because I don't want to touch anything, and I will come back to check if he create anything. Okay, he start to create this really fast, so I will put like this that you can see how he is creating. Okay, I turned back. He finished a long time ago, but I didn't check. So let's go. I will turn all this off. Let's go to check how this look like on the front size. Okay, this is what we created before. Okay, there is some hover effect. Okay, even this nice. Okay, and let's go to check what we have created in pencil tool. So this that we can see. So we have pricing. Plus he made it all in one here, but this is not something serious. This is okay. These three, they look fine. Okay, now let's go to check about us. So this first part, it's okay. Let's go. Let me see the second part down. He created these three. Okay, and on the bottom we have this. So let's go to see if, okay, he add even some hover animation buttons here. So I will say that he did really nice job. If we look all what I did, so I didn't create some professional prompt explaining everything, just write that he create two sections and then just create it inside of Builderius. Let's go to check live site version. Okay, is the same. So everything is working. So I don't have, let's go back to Builderius. Let me see. Okay, he creates, so you can repair everything. Styles, so typography, background, so you can change the background if you want to. So if we want, we can, let's see if he will accept this. Let's go to delete and let's go paste. Yeah, let's go here. Okay, now we have the same background as this one. So it's work like you created manually. Actually, I don't see any problem. So it's worked nice, smoothly. And one thing more about pencil. Let's go to open the pencil a little bit. That just you can see. Let's go to the libraries. Here you can use even the libraries if you want to. For some things you have components. For example, you can see the slides. So you have libraries if you want to use, and slides. You can check this in slides. Layers. You can check the layers of what you have created, and the agent is what he creating. So pencil tool, it's really good. With Builderius, I think they can work each other very well. I don't know what you think. You can tell me what you think, and I don't know, we can do something differently, or if you want that maybe I can work directly here if you want to, that you can see that it will work anyway. Many people ask me, I will say this one more time, why I am working in Claude app and I don't work here. This do not have anything with Builderius, with speed, with nothing. This is just my personal thing. Why? Because I open different things, I work different things in the same time. So for me, it's easier to work in this way. But for example, if I decide to work website, so if I'm creating a website, I will not work 5 things in the same time. I will just concentrate myself and create a website. So then I will use Claude and Sensei AI, and that's it, and it will work perfectly, and you don't need to use Claude separately or something like this. So this is not some big deal, but if you ask me what is better, of course it's better that you work with Sensei AI, because you can see I have here on Claude, I can open more and they can work together, and they will work faster, more accurate. And I mean, you can watch the videos from Builderius. They create huge amount great videos, awesome videos where you can learn a lot. In the last video I show you, they make how you can work with Claude, and this how you can work with Claude you can use with Sensei AI, and you will have better knowledge, you will understand better what you do and why you. So I encourage you that you work directly with Sensei AI. I already prepared something, so I will create all website with Pencil app and Builderius, but I will not just create a website. I will create website. I want to create blog and all this that work really nice. And I want to see if he's able to create more than this. This is very simple because what I ask Pencil that he creates something basically, but if I ask him that he creates something more professional, and I gave him more information about what I want, how they look like, blah blah blah, he will create better. So this is not about how it looked like, this is that you are able to use one tool and then recreate this inside of Builderius using Sensei AI. I want to just repeat, this channel, Web Design Radionica, is created with only one purpose. We teach young people to create websites with WordPress, and all these young people who have, I don't know, ADHD, or they have some autism spectrum, so we teach them for free, and all these associations who work with these young people, we create them websites for free, and everything what we are able to do, we will do them this for free. And it's not matter if website is simple, it is something in the middle, or it's complex website, we will do it and create it for free. This is why we do all this. And if you want to subscribe and like, we don't ask you this because we want to be famous, we want to be some, I don't know, that people speak about us. We ask you this because you can help us that we reach more people who need our help, that we can create them websites or whatever they need for free, so they don't need to pay web developer, web designers, I don't know how much money. So we create them this for free, and this money what they will spend for website, they can pay something else, and I think this is a good thing. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Cheers.